Here's the man of the hour.
Hi. It's raining.
Beautiful view.
You can tell Kennedy to open up the video. This is your video.
Oh. Can I get a hoya?
Ah, probably.
You're supposed
Oh,
to.
hi.
Oh my god.
Can I get a hoya? Cause it's my birthday tomorrow. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. As you can see, I'm not Gareth. I said that handsome guy. I nobody. Yeah, we out here. China Point.
Say hi, guys.
Hey, YouTube. Oh,
This is his new purchase.
it's a new project. You watch the video? Huh?
It's a hammock chair from Costco.
Yeah. No? It's a chair.
What is that?
Put it in theater right now. It's burger chips. Oh, bugak. Sorry, I cannot read.
So you put it together. How is it?
Right? Pretty chair.
Me and Garrett, call me.
God. What, I will get in.
Huh?
We're gonna bring you guys in.
I'm bring you in.
Here's JV. Yeah, remember JV?
I'm gonna bring you. We already there. We already heading there.
We said probably like 2 minutes. 2 minutes out.
Ah, you dicks though.
This shit.
No, we get bathroom over here. And the doodle bags. What?
Bro, just wait.
Okay.
I boss.
Yeah.
I boss.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And he's
Yeah. Okay, enough.
Oh, you're not pretty. Enough. You're not pretty.
I'm drive. I'm drive good. I'll drive good because I boss.
Okay.
Look, they're catching up, really.
Oh.
Look at that.
Ooh. What is going on, dude?
That's Kennedy.
Everybody.
You're going ham.
This is the first time I get to talk to you guys.
Look at the camera.
Where? What camera? Oh.
This one.
Where? Oh, look at the camera. What happened in the camera?
It didn't come off.
Oh. I never even remember coming through here. How you gonna go home?
I remember.
Get Kennedy or Dion in the back, but still
Oh, that's
using.
Kennedy.
Oh, that's Kennedy.
You dropped them off.
Bro.
I think so.
I don't know if you guys can see him, but I try to push it. You guys see.
Turn off the KDSS.
Oh, you can turn off the KDSS. Okay.
Okay, thing off right now. So the thing will be like this. It's gonna be like that.
Try it.
Like that. Off. Yeah. I'm scared, look. This,
So getting on 400 KDSS is worth it then.
yeah.
Okay.
The thing more stiff, the side.
You guys heard the man with the dreads,
See, look at that.
the myth, the man.
The legend.
Oh, I thought it was
Oh,
homeless.
not the legend.
Homeless. No.
Out of homeless. Look at this guy, this Jeeps. Fuck out of here.
Why he takes dog? And he shotgun to them.
So? Because I'm a nice guy. I'm a nice guy, that's all.
Oh, you're a nice guy.
I'm a nice guy.
So first you told them indirectly for get out of here.
Yeah.
But you shotgun them.
Yeah, because if I never shot at them, they would have never shot at me.
Oh. So what then?
They think Jeeps are better than 4Runners, but I go ask.
Ask who?
The specs. So look at the specs.
You put together on PowerPoint then.
So look at the specs. The 4Runner is like superior compared to the Jeep.
Why? How so?
But the only thing I like is that the Jeep can go 35s without even lifting up.
Oh, without any modifications.
Yeah, without any modifications. But wait, fucking Kennedy, you stay right in my ass.
Cause maybe he's not busted, right?
Because you get stuff, foxes.
What?
and stuff.
Oh, foxes?
Yeah.
Oh, what you get then?
I get Bilstein 5100.
Oh, you dick dog. What you trying to say about everybody who get 5100s?
We cheap and we suck. You guys are foxes. I respect you. Look, nothing for him, look.
Oh.
He's still my ass.
Oh, Kennedy.
Okay, I let this guy go. Cause I'm fuck up. Taking so long, bro. What the fuck? You fuck up. Look at your shit. Look at say hi. This is my fucking road. Look at say hi.
What about if that guy follows us on YouTube and
Are you my boss? Nah, you cool. You cool. You my friend too.
that's why you let him go.
Yeah.
That's your friend.
I'll
Right?
let him go first.
Okay.
I'm gonna boss this fucking phone. My video guarantee the Bilsteins is mad. I gotta buy some boxes. Look, I need a hard time here.
The Bilstein just want to go home.
The Bilstein is like flat road.
They just want to go home.
The thing is rocks. Oh wait, I gotta dodge him. I gotta dodge him. Source. Source.
Boss my head source.
Source. Can you dick stop?
What?
You're showing me that this boxing is way better. That's how you on my ass.
Okay, prove him wrong then.
Bro.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
You didn't create smoking gap.
Yeah, but you ran my ass again. So, okay, what this? Left or right?
Both.
Both.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still left. I'm scared this one.
Oh, yo, you lost him.
See? The TRD Pro. What? See something else? Or he just not give a rip?
No, TRD Pro no more, even Kerry says yeah.
No more. Only off-road's coming.
What was it? TRD Off-Road with the blue.
Huh?
TRD Off-Road with the blue.
What?
This blue.
Just got rid of.
There you get off-road dog.
Off-road. Is that off-road?
It's off-road. I seen a beard. So I knew it was off-road already.
Off-road beard.
Yeah, I knew it was off-road.
It's the off-road beard. So I was gonna play some Danny Kane, but YouTube gonna fuck us up.
What song?
You already know what song. They still don't copyright that because I said that.
No, they're not going. Cause they brought an Omar over here, that's why.
Oh, Omar.
Yeah. Brought an Omar, something special.
Now he fast though, Kennedy.
Ooh.
Fucking Davey. Davey, you fuck. Bro, if you're not down there, bro, that's dick.
Straight dog.
That's dick. You don't think so?
Yeah.
He's,
What is this, like 120-minute adventure already?
yeah? What you even calm? What do you mean?
Fine, we're Romies.
Right there.
Oh, you see the light of the tunnel already?
Yeah, I see the tunnel already.
But do you see the black detergent to come on the tunnel?
I got it right there. What's that?
Where?
It's not.
Huh?
It's Bilstein. Right there.
Oh, Easty!
From the bullshit.
Scrap! Get in, loser, we're going shopping!
Where you guys at?
Fucking walk them all here.
Hop in. Where's your sister?
That Javen? Leave him.
Yeah, that's JV.
Oh shit. Yeah, leave him.
Make it real straight. Or turn them the other way. So let them see that it works. Some more. Okay, let me see the two front teeth. So let me see the two front teeth again. Hey, you guys know this guy? You guys know this guy? Let me see two front teeth. Oh, this guy never turn on his lockers, dog.
Slide him. I never narrow him down.
Where you two front teeth? Like,
Awesome.
you gotta go like this.
Oh, that thing is sick right there. What is that?
What the fuck?
Sick one, man.
That's a sick one.
It's fucking crazy, man. I didn't even know they were capable of having those abilities to do that. It's crazy.
Fox Shocks versus 5100s.
Oh, this is 5100s
This is 5100s
Versus-
of Jeep.
versus the Fox Shocks.
Fox Shocks.
Okay, let me get some cinematics.
Cinematic.
Can I get a Hoya?
Oh, you guys selling ball too?
No. No. Only balls.
For the balls?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Come back later. Then.
Okay. What time?
7 o'clock, then.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
I'll put you down.
No.
Yeah.
Are they good for selling?
As of now, you second in line.
Second?
Yeah.
What I gotta do for me first?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, guys. Pretty much out here. Kaena Point. So today's adventure has come to an end, and we're about to close this bit and head home because we tired already. No. No. No.
You don't know?
No.
I don't know.
Just the guy behind us.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's that called? Kennedy. He knows it,
Can
right?
you call Kennedy?
Hold on.
What's up, you fuckers?
Close them out already.
Let me close them out. As you guys seen, it's my first time here, Kapena Point. Hope you guys listen to Kapena. This is his point over here. But try to close them out for you guys. Get me. Yeah. Okay, cuz shoots.